Hi, this is Karen and welcome to a special announcement from dolallycrafts. It's been a couple of years since I've put together card packs for online paid for online classes, and I've been so pleased with the suites that we're going to be released on the 5th of September that I decided to put together some classes. Now, you will get all of the supplies you need as far as papers and toppers and DSP in the pack for free. All I ask of you is that you go to my online store, and as I said, this will be open from the 5th of September through to the 21st of September for the 1st of October classes. All you need to do is purchase the Merry Christmas to All stamp set and the Poppy Parade and Garden Green inks. That's all you need to purchase to receive this card pack, and you will make 3 cards, 3 separate designs, but 2 of each of the designs, and there will be 2 gift boxes included to put together. Now, all of the papers are cut to size. Everything's been scored, so all you need to do is follow the tutorials either via YouTube or via the PDF that will be available to you to put these cards together. Now, there are a couple of things that aren't available anymore on Stampin' Up, but I loved this bauble so much that I decided to use it in one of the cards. So some of these things are very special releases and only available to my card class customers. These cards are so simple to make that even if you're new to card making, you will be able to put these together. All you will need at home is some double-sided tape runner, snail, some dimensionals or foam tape, a pair of scissors, and a stamp block. And I'm pretty sure that's all you're going to need. You can purchase those in my store. If you purchase any of those items, you will also receive a thank you gift from me in the mail. Now, all of the details for what you will need for this card class and how it runs will be found at the link in the description box below. If you're reading it on a tablet or your phone and you don't see the description box, or you're viewing it on your television, the link to go to is www.dolallycrafts.com/card_classes. And I think that's it. I'll put the link at the bottom of this video so that I know I am giving you the correct link, but it'll also be in the description box below. Okay, if you already have the inks, and so you figure you don't need to buy them, that you can just buy that, you need to make sure that your purchases come up to $55 in total, apart from shipping. So $55 in product, and this will be sent to you. Now, these card classes are private. They will not be revealed to the public until the end of November. And that is for this October's card classes. There will be a November card class, and I already have that prepared, and that's using a different suite. But at the moment, we're sticking to this suite. So you will get the All Is Bright DSP in here, the All Is Bright cardstock, and yeah, just different pieces of ephemera that will go with this. There'll be ribbons, toppers, you name it, it's all in there. Okay, it will be sent out to you in a cardboard heavyweight box from Australia Post, so it will be well protected. Each card, or each lot of supplies for each card, will come in a plastic sleeve. So you'll have two cards in one sleeve, 2 cards in another, 2 cards in another, and 2 boxes in the last one. And as I said, everything's all pre-cut and pre-scored. Oh, it might also be an idea if you've got a bone folder. So yeah, other than that, everything else is supplied. So This will open as of the 5th of September. Put a notification on your calendar on your phone so that you don't forget. I will actually be reminding people as I make videos over the next couple of weeks that the card class is open. But yeah, just follow the link below to find out some more details. Until then, I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.